Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lovett. If this is your first time here, please don't make it your last. Hit on the subscribe button and be part of this family. In today's video, we'll be making this beautiful piece you see on your screen, and if that is something that interests you, please keep on watching. In order to achieve this, you need your neck depth. That's how deep you want the cowl neck depth to be. I measured 46 for them. Then you need your length, the length you want your top to be. That is all for the measurement. So this is the fabric that we are using. To make this dress, you need up to like 1 yard of material. So the first thing now is to measure that measurement you took for the neck depth. You measure it. So I have 46. I added 3 inches allowance, so it's 49. So the next thing now is to measure the length. You go to the other side, you measure the length. So the length of my own top is 30, so I added 1 inches and it's giving me 31. So next thing now is to cut the rope for the down part. You bring your fabric, you fold it into two, then cut the rope as wide as you want it to be. I use 3.5, so by the time I fold it, it will be like 1.5. Yes, it will be giving me 1.5. So you can cut yours as wide as you want yours to be. You can cut yours 2, you can cut yours 3, you can make it very tiny depending on how you want it to be. So next is to go to a sewing machine and fold the 4 corners of the fabric. Just look at what I'm doing. You fold the 4 corners of the fabric that you have. And remember, if you are folding it inward. You're folding it inside to the wrong side. So you're not folding it outside, you're folding it inward to the wrong side of the fabric. So that's what we're going to do now. I've also gone ahead to sew my band, the rope for the down part. I've gone ahead to sew them together. Then I'll just turn them inside. I'll turn them outside. I'm bringing it outside. So that is it for it. Then this is it after turning it. You go to your sewing table and give it a good press. This is what we have. So now I've gone ahead to sew all the 4 corners of that fabric that we measured. Just look at what I'm doing. I've sewn all the 4 corners. So the next thing now is to bring that longest part, which is the neck depth part. You bring it together, then at the edge you sew. But before you sew, you fold it a bit so that it will have this effect that it has on the neck. Then you sew them together. I've sewn mine. This is what I have. Next is to fix that rope that you folded for the down part. So you bring the rope, then you tuck in the rough edge. Sorry, my camera was not capturing that. You tuck in the rough edge inward, then you bring that length, that part that you measured for your top length, you go up by 1 inch. You're not sewing it at the top. You go up by 1 inch, then you stitch. You do the same thing to the other side. You bring the rope, you go up a bit by 1 inch, then you stitch them. So I'm done stitching it, guys. So this is what we have. This is for the neck. This is what we have for the neck, and this is the side rope. And that is all for the tutorial, guys. Look how beautiful this top came out. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to see your comments, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.